Hey travelers, in the last episode we started our way from Jacksonville, Florida and made it to Panama City Beach. That took us about 4.5 hours. Then we went to the beach and roamed around a little bit, took a few photos and called it a day. In this episode I will make my way up to Mobile, Alabama, taking the scenic route which is Highway 98, passing through Pensacola. Simple way to support the channel is hit like and subscribe if you like what you see. Okay, let's get this going. So as you can see, I thought it was going to be the scenic route, but there's nothing really you can see from the road. It's just a dune. So I would not suggest you taking it. Maybe in California, that route that you all know, I forgot the name of it, that is super scenic, that I'm going to go. Maybe it's worth it there, but here it's just not worth it in my opinion. It just is nothing really you can see. It's just a dune and buildings. That's pretty much it. Stop real quick in Pensacola, grab a bite at the Guadalupe. Come check it out, guys. Really good. I stumbled upon the Museum of Commerce, which is a reconstruction of Pensacola. It is a street scene based on business that operated in Pensacola between 1880 and 1910. It's a part of the historic Pensacola village in Pensacola Historical District. I highly suggest you check it out if you like things like that. After that, we drove under the graffiti bridge located at North 17th Avenue, and then we made our way to Pensacola Beach. So if you want to go to Pensacola Beach, I think it's $1.50 what we were told, and you can get a sun pass that I have, or you can just pay cash, I guess. Oh, slept for 2 hours. It's like 8:30ish. This is guest in. That looks like a real fucking fire. So I went for a quick dinner and called it a night. Good morning from Mobile, Alabama. This morning we're going to Spot of Tea. There are actually apparently not many places. They're all a bunch in the same place. We were there last night. Spot of Tea is right there, now that you know, if you haven't been here. And that was the live that we saw last night. Spot of Tea, and then the Peanut House. That they serve peanuts, I hope. Well, in Spot of Tea, you won't guess what I got. I got tea. And then we went to A&M Peanut Shop. This is established in 1947, and it's a mobile institution specializing in fresh roasted nuts. They also have candy and other stuff, so I hung around a little bit there. We started making our way to our next destination. Alright, well, yeah, the downtown, it is not a huge area. If you're from a city as big as Jacksonville, Jacksonville is just huge. Mobile, Alabama, or Pensacola, or Panama City Beach so far has been smaller, obviously. Alabama has about 200,000 people from what I checked. It's the first city. It became a city before even the state became a state, from what I've discovered. But yeah, it was nice at the tea place. I tried a tea, and then, as you saw, went to the peanut store. That it was interesting. If you like nuts, I got, you know, roasted nuts because I don't do sugar, but there's many sugar options if that's what you like. And next on the agenda is me going to the restaurant I went last night to get my card because I forgot it there, most likely. So yes, my card was there, and I'm heading towards New Orleans. I stopped by a small city near Biloxi. I think it's called D'Iberville. I'm not sure if I'm butchering the name. Grabbed a bite, and then arrived in New Orleans, where I'm gonna stay for a couple of days. At the Winn-Dixie at New Orleans charging station. Arrived here with like 10%. I just plugged it in, so we're on 15. But I am going to go to Winn-Dixie, get some salad for tomorrow, and most likely the battery is gonna charge to 80%. It says 25 minutes to 80%, so yep, let's go. this is the infamous Bourbon Street. What are you cooking, my brother?
Cooking tacos.
Tacos.
The carnitas tonight.
Alright, so Bourbon Street, we listen to jazz. I think it's 10:30. Let's call it a night. Oh.